Okay, so what you're able to do now is go to the Colleague 7 login page within your mobile device and essentially access a streamlined version of the Colleague 7 UI. What I've done here is set the Colleague 7 login page as a home icon, which you're able to do. But essentially you can access the login screen on clicking that button. Because the way passwords are retained within mobile browser devices, you can click on a button there and it will pre-populate, allow you to sign in, and then that will take you into the UI. Now the two options that are available as part of this iteration of the Colleague 7 mobile UI is the quick search and recent items. So what you're able to do is obviously run a quick search, enter within the search box area a name, a number, something that you want to search against, and ultimately it will bring back a search result. The way it's been set up is exactly the same as within the desktop UI. So if you click on any phone numbers, it's going to populate or going to prompt the option to call out. If you click on an email address, it's going to prompt the ability to send an email. And ultimately, the column options or the field options that you view are within this screen against each entity is defined as per the column options that have been set within the desktop UI. You have the option to filter results just as you do within the main desktop UI, and that's ultimately the quick search. And then for recent items, again, this is the last 100 records you've accessed within the system. Again, the column options that you see have been defined from the desktop UI. You have the means to click there to filter and obviously to instigate any phone calls or prompt any emails that you may want to send in terms of contact to that person. So it's essentially a simple data access mobile UI interface in its first iteration. We have other plans for it in terms of user overview, in terms of lists and other functions. But obviously what we want to do is give you a means to be able to access your data. Signing out is sort of from the top right hand side, click on the menu button, and then obviously you hit the log out button there and it's available to you. So that's the update we've made, or the mobile interface for Colleague 7.